You know, the importance of the Chinese market from my point of view has not changed. Specifically in industrial automation, it's our largest market. There is more openness for innovation. For me, China has become also an innovation driver, specifically in our business. So that gives a lot of other opportunities. We were ramping up new production lines, specifically in Wuxi. That was one clear investment. The other investment is in innovation. So we have established a hub for R&D. China is world leading in delivering components to the renewable markets, be it wind turbines, be it solar panels, or the whole EV charging, EV battery area. So when we talk about the new energy landscape, today China is leading. So you are leading the energy landscape, new energy landscape, and now in Europe we are starting to catch up with you. But then there is a lot which is happening in energy transition locally. The way how you build HVDC lines to transfer the energy from A to B in an efficient way. And also I think here China has done good progress over the time.